Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites. Chromecast powered and on the same Wi-Fi network as your Chromebook. Once confirmed, open Chrome and check for Chrome OS updates. This avoids compatibility issues. Next, enable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on your Chromebook so discovery works reliably, and make sure you're not on a VPN or a guest network that isolates devices. Now, keep the Chromebook and Chromecast within the same room for initial setup. This reduces signal problems and speeds discovery. Now start the connection. In Chrome, click the three-dot menu and choose Cast, then select your Chromecast from the device list. You can cast a tab, entire desktop, or a file. If the Chromecast doesn't appear, use the Google Home app on a phone to check its setup and network. Fix naming or Wi-Fi there and retry. Once you pick the source, check the cast options for quality and audio routing. This matters for video sync and prevents stuttering during playback. To finish, confirm playback on the TV and control casting from Chrome or the system tray. Stop casting when done to free resources. If something goes wrong, reboot both the Chromecast and Chromebook, then power cycle the router. This clears stale IP leases. Also check your router settings. Make sure both devices are on the same subnet and that AP isolation is disabled. This often blocks discovery. If issues persist, temporarily disable browser extensions that affect network traffic and try.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.